Alkaline have the loyalest fans them in a dancehall. From my observation when I observe, Alkaline supposed to have the second largest fan base in a dancehall. And all of them loyal to him. Notice, a lot of artists in a dancehall have some big fan base, But many of them do not loyal to them artists there. Because when them put out a song sometime, most of them fans, they even know so them put it out. Because them not interested. All them do just run up and down around the internet and make up be nice like some chick man, chick bird. And fly them out like when sick backer take fatal physic or then drink mad puss piss. But you see when Alkaline put out a song, the whole line fans them a go on there. And them a stream it and run up the numbers. Why you think them a fight to get Alkaline out of the dancehall and then can't move him? Because him have a loyal fan base. They don't let him down. Them love him. Them stick to him. All when them not see him on a regular basis, them still stand up for him. Let me tell you something. You see many artists out there where you hear a flip up. You see, if they did a move like Alkaline, the whole of them fans run gone left them. And that's why I know say Alkaline fans them loyal to the bone. Remember that. Me, Shocking Murray said that.